Healthcare's variety of plans, and let us help find the one that works best for you. Ask about PPO plans, too. They let you see any doctor who accepts Medicare without a referral, and pay in-network costs, at home or traveling, when you see doctors in the United Healthcare Medicare National Network. Take advantage of $0 copays on hundreds of prescriptions, now with no deductibles on most of them. In fact, last year, our Medicare Advantage plan members saved an average of over $7,700. Enjoy a free gym membership, too, with access to premium gyms nationwide. As always, you can count on United Healthcare to help you get the care you need when you need it. We can even help schedule appointments or find a specialist. Enrollment ends December 7th. Call United Healthcare or go online today. We make it easy to enroll, too. Enjoy all the benefits of the only Medicare Advantage plans with an AARP name. Take advantage now.
Look at this guy. Noko's evolved again. And this time he's gone metallic. Tonight we're drawing Robonoko from Yokai Watch 2. Robonoko. Now this I've got to look at. This guy is Noko's evolved form. Robonoko is one of the rarest Pokemon to find on Yokai Watch 2. I can't even spot him. I can't even find him. You guys have any advice on how to catch him? I know I've used a QR code and everything, but that didn't work at all. But I've successfully drawn him in under a minute. You guys have any ideas on how I can get this guy? Hopefully I'll obtain his medal. Anyways, that is how you draw Robonoko. Be sure to post a comment on how I can get this guy and how I can get him in my medallion, and how to get this guy, how to obtain this guy's QR code. Let me post that in the comments below. Just post that in the comments below. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.